Hamish has $25.97 in his pocket to spend at the craft store. He wants to buy a paint canvas and some paint pens. The canvas costs $14, and the paint pens are $3.15 each. How many paint pens, P, can Hamish buy?
First, we need to build an inequality. And just like equations, we put our total on one side by itself. So our total will be $25.97. So that'll go on this side by itself. Now we have to figure out what's going to go on the other side. So here it said he bought a $14 canvas. So we know we're going to add that to whatever else is included. And here it says paint pen costs $3.15 each. And this question is asking how many paint pens P can Hamish buy? So we have to do $3.15 times P. Now remember, if it tells you the variable to use, make sure you use that variable. So we have to attach P, the paint pens, to $3.15 because that's how much each paint pen costs. Last step to create our inequality is figure out what symbol we should use. In this case, he only has $25.97, so we can't go over that. So we know it's going to be a less than symbol. But do we need to put or equal to? Yes, we do, because we actually have $25.97 to spend. So that is also included. Now we have to solve. Just like equations, the first thing we have to do is undo addition and subtraction, because the order of operation tells us to undo addition and subtraction first when we use the reverse order of operation. So we have to subtract 14 on both sides of the inequality. And remember to line up your decimals. On the left side, we're left with $3.15 per paint pen is less than or equal to $11.97. Next step is to divide, because the $3.15 in P is connected through multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is division. So we have to divide $3.15 on both sides. And we're left with P is less than or equal to 3 8/10. Now we have to graph this. All right, so if we think about this is a real world situation. So we have to be careful with our graphing, because are we able to buy a fraction of a paint pen? No, we're not. So we cannot put 3 8/10 on the graph. Also, we have to think, well, I'm going to need to round it to a whole number. Technically, you will round 3 8/10 up to 4, but if we round it to 4, he will not have enough money. So we have to round it down to 3. So P is less than or equal to 3. But that is not it. Because since we only can purchase whole paint pens, we have to make sure we only put closed circles on the amount of paint pens we can purchase, which is 3 or less. So I'm going to put a closed circle on 3, closed circle on 2, closed circle on 1. This means we can only buy 3 paint pens, 2 paint pens, or 1 paint pen. This is our final answer.